Today I want to tell you a story of Pilot Baba, also known as Kapil Advait. He led a remarkable life that spanned both the skies and the spiritual realms. Let me share his fascinating journey with you. Born as Kapil Singh in Sasaram in Bihar, he joined the Indian Air Force in 1957 after completing his master's in organic chemistry from Banaras Hindu University. During 1965 war, he set a record by flying his net aircraft at a roof skimming altitude over Pakistani cities. His military career was marked as courage and skill, earning him the title of Wing Commander Kapil Singh. Despite his successful military career, Pilot Baba felt a deeper calling. He sought answers beyond the physical realms. He spent 16 years in warmth of Himalayas, specifically in Nanda Devi Valley, which is considered the legendary abode of goddess Parvati. In Tibet, he studied at the sacred Rajeshwari Mutt under the guidance of spiritual master Mahatapa Giri. His transformation culminated in renunciation and he left behind his pilot's life to embrace the path of enlightenment. The Himalayas have always been a heaven of spiritual seekers. Pilot Baba descended from lineage of legendary Himalayas masters including Maha Avatar Baba, Hari Baba, Santosh Baba and Narayan Giri. These masters imparted advanced knowledge on topics like science of sun, moon, stars, human love and divine power. Pilot Baba became a bridge between the hidden Himalayas communities and the world, sharing their wisdom and teachings. Pilot Baba's biography is a testament to his journey from fighter pilot to an enlightened master. He mastered various forms of samadhi, transcending ordinary consciousness. His legacy lives on, inspiring countless seekers to explore the mystic depths of existence. Pilot Baba's life exemplifies union of materials and spiritual, a journey that took him from cockpit to the Himalayas peaks, where he discovered profound truths and shared them with humanity. Recently, he left for a heavenly abode. May his soul rest in peace. I, K.R. Goswami, salute Pilot Baba and love from bottom of my heart. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Om Namo Narayan.